babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see, the unit that I am wearing today is from Neatandsleek. They do actually make a ton of different braided units. Of course, you guys know I've worked with them in the past. We have combs on the inside. It is an adjustable wig cap, so of course it's going to fit majority of the head sizes. You guys can see here we also have a little baby hair leave out. You guys, these butterfly locks look absolutely flawless. The parts on this are amazing, and you guys can see it is a transparent, kind of light brown tinted lace, so I definitely appreciated that. This is the cap small. The color of the unit is a 1B, but you guys can see how dark this is. It's given a 1, so I can't even imagine what the color 1 would look like. But of course, the unit does have a little bit of weight to it. I know typically you guys are like, oh, you're doing a braided unit. Like, is it heavy? Is it hard to wear? You guys will be the judge based off of seeing it on my head. I did go ahead and put on a wig cap underneath just so you guys can really see the parting space. I didn't keep it on just because I knew I wasn't going to commit to the style, because I needed to really braid down my hair underneath the wig. So this is more like a try on for people that are interested in getting it, right? There are combs on the inside, so you can definitely use those to your leisure. I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors just to kind of trim around the end of this. I don't know who did the braid for the baby hairs, but you guys, they are literally like the ultimate braider, because it took me for freaking ever to get the braid out. Like, you guys can see how small this braid is, but nevertheless, the luster of the hair looks really, really nice. It was not itchy, wasn't scratchy. It felt comfortable on my head. Surprisingly, as heavy as the unit looked to me, just holding it in my hand, it did not feel that way on my scalp. So I'm saying on my scalp, but on my head. You get what I mean? So if you guys are looking for a protective style, you don't really want to sit in anybody's chair for 4 hours or more, then definitely be sure to check out their website, because they don't just have butterfly lock units. They do have box braids. They have colored braids. So many different styles. I'm wondering if they even have passion twists, because Lord knows that would save a bunch of time. Now this part is a little bit optional. You don't actually have to tack down the edges if you don't want to, but in this case I did go ahead and use a little bit of glue and the Gotta Be Glue spray just to go ahead and hit that on the sides. And then of course you guys are able to see here where I did go ahead and trim off the baby hair, which I was in love with that. And you guys are able to see where I'm just going through the hairline and just plucking out what it is that I did not need at all. Because in my opinion, the hairline was a little bit fuller than what I needed. So I did go ahead and get rid of that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and swoop these to the best of my ability. Not going to lie, it was kind of complicated because the hair is yucky in the hairline. So it made the baby hair situation a little bit weird. So y'all don't judge me. I see y'all getting y'all comments ready, okay? Just relax. This is a try on. I just really wanted to show you guys what it looks like before committing to the style. And you guys can see it's a bob. So I'm really surprised. They got most of these braids, or pretty much all of them, about the same size, which is probably kind of hard to do, right? Because you're wrapping those locks. Y'all, it's giving vibes. It's giving vibes. So let me know what you guys think about this. You can try a bunch of different styles. I did try to do like a half up, half down situation. In my opinion, I think we needed just a little bit more hair in the back. Because of course I can see where some of the hair is on a track, some of it is only on the lace. So to really turn this, you know, unit up a notch, I think I would probably do all of the butterfly locks throughout the unit, and then that way you guys would get more of like a realistic feel. I'm not sure if that's an option that they have, but it's just a pointer, you know, for the company. And then also when you guys are on the search for the unit, you know, but obviously that's going to be to save you a little bit of money. So definitely make sure that you check out my description box so that you don't miss the chance to save a little bit more there. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.